Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Let me just connect my headphone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, guys.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Why
Why
do you
there
do
are
that?
two Alfatis? Fateh, there are two of you.
Oh, yeah. One is gone.
Oh,
Those are my minions.
where is
Hey,
my
how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you multiply yourself? I want to have minions. You know how? Before the
Imagine there are 2 million Alphabet, two Barilla and two Aishan.
What if I join PYA club?
This is assembly.
Yeah, then club.
Then club, which I'll be teaching again.
Then you'll be in club and in PY live, right?
Yes, you don't have to go anywhere, you'll be joining. You won't go anywhere, you'll be here only.
Um, oh, why is my mouse isn't working? Okay.
Barira, please turn on your camera, Barira.
Ma'am, today we have club.
Yes, today you have club. Are you guys
Yeah.
ready? Excited?
Yeah. I don't think they're there at all. Like before, like
Yeah, anyone can share.
this is the canvas. Ma'am, Milan is in the canvas. I'm showing to
Fateh, you are
ma'am.
also there in the Canva. Who else is there?
I am presenting only Alpha.
Only Al-Fatih is there. Okay, both of you close. Close. Fateh, close.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Let's just wait for 1 more minute. Let's see if they join, right? And if they join, I have a very important instruction.
Ma'am, I want to show you something. Why does Ihan make so much random stuff in my presentation? What is this? I didn't even add this. And what is this?
Ooh, that's.
And who added my other presentation?
Whom did you share? Give the edit access. Did you give
Only
the access?
Ihan. Only Ihan because he was asking me for like 2 weeks.
Then he would have done it. Close your Canva first. Close Canva. Don't stop sharing. Close Canva. Share.
I closed it.
Yes. Amila, turn on your camera. Camera, people. Barira, please unmute.
Here, I'm drinking my breakfast. I'm playing Canva.
Stop the Canva, please, everyone.
I'm not in this. Okay, I closed it.
Yes. Fateh, did you close it? Yes. Haya, the first thing I am seeing is you yawning. Are you sleepy? Even I am sleepy. There's nothing we can do, right? The life must go on. The period must go on. So you cannot.
I hate
Laser, are you in
sleeping.
Canva?
Ma'am, look at this. Look how eyes. My eyes are so small. Look at this blackish color here.
You should sleep at night, Millet.
I was sleeping. I'm not sleepy at all. I hate sleeping.
Aishan, what are we doing?
This I've been like literally training. I've been going to the ground sprinting like anything.
Amila, I'm not able to see you. You're stuck. Okay, I have an important announcement. Another pre-event competition.
Alpha, they are new.
This is compulsory for
hate.
This is compulsory for
What
everyone.
competition?
Yes.
What competition is it?
It's a quiz.
Alpha, they almost hates
Quiz
everything.
on sports.
Sleeping. What did he say? What did you say?
People listen, it's a quiz on sports, international sports, football.
I don't know all of those games. I just know how to play football and badminton. I don't know the rules. I know the rules of football, offsides or whatever those
You
things
just
are.
have to participate. Winning and losing doesn't matter. And it is compulsory for everyone, like all the kids at meet.
Can you just send the instructions to me in Gmail?
There are no instructions. It's a
No
compulsory
instruction.
quiz on Monday.
So what are we supposed to do in that competition?
Will they tell the rules? Will
GK
they
on
tell?
sports. General knowledge on sports.
Will they tell the rules?
Will we have to answer the rules? I don't know rules. I break
It
the
will be
rules.
simple. Since it is G3, it will be simple questions.
No, sports is really hard to play, so it will be hard to answer. And I don't know how to play any other sport. Before I used to know how to play cricket, now I
We are on
forgot
mute,
it.
Amila. We are not
I
able
know
to
how
hear.
to play all sports, but some I don't know
Guys,
because
just
Ma'am,
participate.
the second period is club.
Participate.
You know, back in Malaysia, I was playing bowling and I hit all 10.
Amila? Amila.
Ma'am, the second period is club.
I know. No, first period is club. This is assembly. So people think of it like just you are participating for fun with your classmates. Sounds good?
Ma'am, can you just give me an example how the competition will be? Because my father told I'm tired of this competitions. I'm not going to do any.
I am just a person delivering the message.
My father can't edit more.
Why are you editing? There's nothing to edit here.
Are we supposed to make the questions or
No,
don't?
you don't have to do anything. You just have to come in class on Monday first period. Sound good? Come as you normally come to school. Don't hit your head. You don't have to
I'm
do
tired of competitions. I joined the spelling bee news reporters and I think the video competition, the logo so
all those are
much.
not compulsory.
I also did also.
See, this one is compulsory. Everyone is participating for it.
I am. Anyways, I will. Man, you about if I lose your feelings.
I'll just look at you guys participating. I'll be like, oh my god, my kids are playing. Quiz.
And ma'am, why
Yes,
isn't
Monday
the
first period you
score?
have sports quiz competition, guys.
Ma'am, and why isn't the score updated?
Why? What happened?
It's not updated. It's still showing the 45 and 75.
What is showing 45 and 75? I don't know.
The score 145
Yeah,
1.
that is because review competition has been put on hold because there was some malpractice in review competition. Some kids, not primary, created fake accounts to give the review and increase their score. So those scores will get negative marks. And I know it's none of our kids, right? So
I didn't even do the review competition.
So
I'm not joining it.
because of that, score is put on hold. Don't look at the
Okay.
score now for the current class.
Okay.
Haya, wash your face and come. Wash your face and come quickly. Haya, wash your face and come quickly. I'm in. Turn on your camera. I'm in.
Ma'am, what did you say? What is
Wash
squeeze?
your face.
It is coming in. I did. Number 20. Sorry, sleeping or something.
What is coming on number 24? Lazel, you need to take permission before going somewhere. What is happening in this class? Different people are going in different directions. Are you guys okay?
I didn't go anyone.
I think I am the
I'm
one.
okay. Ma'am, when will Aisha
I
ma'am
did just
come?
like that.
Aisha ma'am, she just had she have a baby? No. She has to have a baby. The baby has to get a little older, then she can come, right?
Oh. So she will come after years.
Not years, maybe 6 months. Why do you like me?
Where that's a lesson. Going? That's a lesson.
Ma'am, everyone is talking at the same time, and my earphones are going to explode.
Okay, let me just
Where?
recording.
Yes.